How to make your towels smell wonderful. Towels, despite our best attempts to keep them clean, frequently develop a stale odor. Detergent residue forms in the fibers of the towels over time, preventing them from absorbing as much water as feasible and drying as efficiently as they might. Bacteria then begins to accumulate in the fabric, resulting in a mildew odor in a pile of freshly washed clothing. With 2 ingredients, white vinegar and baking soda, you can make your old towels feel as fluffy and smell as fresh as new. Vinegar includes acetic acid, which aids in the dissolution of mineral deposits and other dirt. Baking soda is alkaline in nature, which aids in the neutralization of smells while dissolving grime and oil. Using them back to back is a simple approach to eliminate many potential sources of odor and accumulation as effectively as possible. Step 1. Vinegar wash. Put your towels in the washer with a cup of white vinegar instead of detergent, and wash on the hot cycle. Step 2. Baking soda wash. Leave the towels in the washing machine once the wash cycle is completed. Start a second hot water wash cycle with half cup of baking soda sprinkled over the towels. Step 3. Dry completely. After the second wash is complete, make sure to thoroughly dry your towels. You can dry them in the dryer or hang them on a clothesline. Most mildew and odor problems should be solved with this 1-2 punch of vinegar and baking soda. If the towels continued to smell foul after completing all 3 procedures, repeat the process. This approach is intended as a cleansing treatment and should not be used on a regular basis. Step 4. Preventative measures. Towels should always be allowed to dry completely. Never leave them on the floor, and make sure your towel racks have enough room to allow for air circulation. Exhaust fans will keep the bathroom from becoming too humid for towels to dry. Use the suggested amount of laundry product or slightly less when washing towels. Excess detergent, especially in high-efficiency washers that utilize less water, produces a residue on towels. Never use fabric softener, as residue from the fabric softener will quickly make your towels less absorbent. To soften and refresh them, white vinegar is a better and less expensive option. It will soften your towels while avoiding static and preventing accumulation of residue. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.